Welcome to Encinitas, California, and one of our latest projects. This is a project that we purchased from a direct seller. The direct seller was actually using it as an Airbnb, and he had a main house, an ADU, which we'll show you, and then also the owner's quarters. This property is a little over 5,000 square feet. And we were able to work with him in terms of his time frame and also in terms of helping him to preserve as much capital as he possibly could, even though he was in a position where he really needed to sell and he needed to do it within a particular time frame. So we made it work with him. We helped him solve the problems that he had with this deal, and it's a really cool project, and I'm excited for you to see it. Come take a look with me. We're going to go check out the ADU first, and then I'm going to show you the main house, and we'll show you the owner's quarters. Come on. So this is an ADU that the seller put together, and he was actually renting this out Airbnb along with the main house. So this is the kitchenette. This is basically the family room area, right, where everybody kind of gathers and congregates. This is where the bed was. So this actually was the part of where the sleeping quarters were. This is also a bedroom that they could use. They had a bed in here, and then this is the full bathroom that they had. So now we're going to go take a look at the main house. Come on with me. So this is an absolutely gorgeous entry, and this house is actually in amazing shape. There's actually not a lot that we're going to have to do with it, but this is the dining room area with a fireplace. So this is the nook area. Also an area for the family to congregate, and then this is the kitchen. That kitchen has custom cabinets, Thermador appliances. It's really, really nice. And then out here is a really nice covered patio. Some people call it a lanai, with a fire pit and a nice water feature. And then this is a casita that actually gives you more capacity. So it could be used for an office, it could be used for an extra bedroom, that kind of thing. So we could turn it into another ADU if we wanted to. Okay, so let's go upstairs and we'll take a look at the upstairs of the main house. Actually, real quick, there's a full bath here on the first level, which is a huge selling point. When you have a two-story house, it's a great idea to have a full bath on the first floor for anybody who may not be able to navigate stairs. So the laundry room is here on the second level where everybody lives, which is really cool, okay? This is one of the bedrooms. It's actually one of the masters. So we got a full Jack and Jill here. We've got a full bathroom here. And then we have a deck here that actually has an ocean view. That's the ocean. Isn't that neat? Okay, so like I said, this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is another bedroom that's connected to it with a walk-in closet. So like I said, this whole complex is just a little over 5,000 square feet total. It's a nice house, but we're going to make it amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we're going to take you through here. This is another bathroom, full bath. Let me turn this on. This is where the owner's quarters were from this door forward, and there actually was a stove here. This is where they cooked their food. This was their little kitchenette area, and they had a refrigerator right here. This was their master for the owner's quarters. So they woke up every morning to an ocean view in here. Isn't that awesome? And we're also, by the way, going to take you over to the other part of the owner's quarters, which is back here, that has a really cool covered patio, just kind of like this, but expanded, and another utility room that you can use too. You can use it for a bedroom if you want. So let's go take a look at the master bath. So this is a shower that's big enough for you and a few of your friends, right? And then this is the master bath tub that's jetted and has an ocean view. Yeah, this is a walk-in closet. You see a lot of things here because one of the things we did for the seller, and we do this for a lot of sellers, is we let them leave the things that they don't want and or need. So we were able to help him by taking a lot of the stuff off his hands. So we'll be cleaning this, our crew will be cleaning this out for them, for us, and they didn't have to take all this when they left. So that was a really cool, nice benefit for them. Something we do for direct sellers a lot. So let's take a look out here at the other side of the owner's quarters. And when we're done with this, we're going to actually go take a look at the sky deck. We have a sky deck with an unbelievable ocean view that we're going to show you here in just a second. So this is a covered patio that's kind of a utility room you can use for anything. And it's really, really cool. You could have, like they had sofas here, you could have desks here, you could work here. It's just a really, really cool area. And what they did was they took this is actually the roof of the two-car garage. They just built on top of it and they made this, they enclosed this part this way, and it's just open air and it's awesome. And in Encinitas, you want to be outside. That's part of the benefits of living here. I hope you're ready to be wowed. Like being the king of the world. Check this out. Isn't this awesome? So we're back down from the sky deck, and this is an area that's really, really cool. It's an open air patio area that you can do all kinds of things with. It's really awesome. You can have a barbecue out here, all kinds of things. Let's go take a look at the two-car garage and the gazebo. It's really cool because we've got a gazebo out here, we've got a two-car garage, and then we've got a carport too, which makes it almost like a four-car garage. It's kind of awesome. So there's the gazebo with a fan. So again, all of this will be cleaned out. We actually took this on with this property as an accommodation for the owner, which we do a lot of times as an accommodation for sellers to try to help them solve, whatever sort of challenges they might be having. This is a full two-car garage, full-size two-car garage, and then a full-on two-car plus carport, which is really cool in terms of utility, because now all of a sudden you've got what's basically the equivalent of a four-car garage. Really awesome. Thank you so much for coming on a tour of our latest project in Encinitas, California. This is one of those projects that's unique. It's larger than we normally purchase, and it's a little more complicated than we normally do, but this was an opportunity for us to work with a direct seller and to help him preserve as much capital as possible, and then also to work with him in terms of the challenges that he had in terms of exiting the property. So we were able to come together and make this thing work in terms of what we do, which is to care about what the seller needs, and we try to figure out a way for us to solve it. So we were able to make this work. It turned out to be an amazing win-win, and this is going to be an amazing project. I can't wait for you to see it done. Have a good day.